Amazon Pharmacy is poised for rapid expansion across the United States. A promising new treatment for pancreatic cancer sends biotech share prices soaring, and abortion rights see a surge after the midterm elections on Tuesday. These are the stories we'll cover on This Week in Healthcare Tech. Hello and welcome to This Week in Healthcare Tech, where every week we bring you the hardest hitting news from the intersection of healthcare and technology. First up, online retail powerhouse Amazon began offering patients a way to manage prescriptions and data related to their healthcare plans back in 2020. The program, called Amazon Pharmacy, also included perks like 2-day delivery and substantial discounts on generic drugs. These efforts appear to have paid off as Amazon Pharmacy continues to draw interest from payers all over the United States. In 2023, it will become the only delivery service for Florida Blue members, and it will also serve 1.5 million members of Medicare Advantage. This push builds on similar efforts in North Carolina, Massachusetts, and many other states. And it's still too early to tell, but we could be witnessing the emergence of Amazon as a major player in the American healthcare landscape. Next up, on Wednesday, the drug maker Ipsen released a statement claiming that its cancer treatment Onivyde decreased mortality in those suffering from pancreatic cancer when it was paired with standard chemotherapy. Though details around the statement have not been made public yet, the news was enough to increase the price of shares in the drug's original manufacturer, Merrimack Pharmaceuticals, by 200%. Merrimack is a ghost company that fired its entire staff in 2019, but Merrimack's shares are still trading publicly because Ipsen acquired the rights to Onivyde. If FDA approval goes through, the shareholders stand to gain upwards of $225 million. Finally, the United States had its midterm elections on Tuesday. One of the key issues was abortion rights and abortion access, which have reached even greater prominence in the national conversation after a majority conservative Supreme Court voted to overturn Roe v. Wade in early 2022. Voters showed up across the country to take a firm stand on abortion, leading to abortion rights being enshrined in the constitutions of Vermont, California, and Michigan, and anti-abortion initiatives being rejected in Kentucky. This is all part of the process of states creating their own unique abortion policies after the Supreme Court handed down its historic ruling. That's it for this episode. Tune into This Week in Healthcare Tech next week for the latest news, and don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for joining me, and until next time.